Hello, this is Sharif, just nailed it, and we today are going to be doing a vertical ombre with some spiders. Yeah, some spiders from Charlie's Nail Art. We're going to use those along with about 4 or 5 webs. I have taken these nails, I have buffed them, buffed the shine off. We put a coat of white on. We are going to do a vertical ombre. I've got my makeup wedge sponge here, and I have... I'm going to show you what I did. This is what... It's better to do this before you use the sponge. Put you some water out. Dab it up with your sponge. Just get it a little bit wet. Just get a little bit wet. It helps so the polish doesn't absorb so badly into the sponge. Because you want the polish to transfer onto the nail. You don't want it to just sit and be soaked up in the... Soaked up in the sponge. So put you a nice healthy coat here. We're going to be doing 2 nails. Should have already had these opened, my bad. Hope everybody's doing fine, and welcome to being here with me today. I'm glad to have ya. Let me comment down below, sound off that you're here. Let me know who's with me today. Hello peoples. Should we say hello? Hello, Erica. Gotta say hello to my girl. So we're going to take these, as you can see on the sponge, they're not totally absorbed. So I'm just going to dab, make sure your sides get some coverage. Like this, I'm going to stick this in the lamp. Remember, these are gels. These are gels. So these are going backwards from the first 3 I did. Good Lord. On my other 3, I've got the purple on the left-hand side and the green on the right. Well, that's not how they are here. Whoopsie. So I'm going to load up my sponge again. Cannot believe I did that. It'll add a little bit of depth to the look. So I don't want anybody commenting and be like, look what you did. Well, I know what I did. I know the boo-boo that I made. And I am using for polish, it is Model 1's Neon Collection. Love these colors, and I swore that I would be using these. I think these colors are so pretty. So pretty. So I'm just going to rotate them back and forth till I get the desired look I want. Yahoo! It takes like, I don't know, 3 passes maybe. To get, you know, the right color look, which the ones I showed you I've already done. I don't remember how many I did. I don't remember. Change my sponge and do it this way. Do it this way. I love these colors together. Love, love, love. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool looking. I'm going to pop that back in. I'm going to go over this nail one more time. Let those both sit. Put that on your sponge, or your sponge. It's a She Modern palette, so you can just rest it upon that. Now let me see what's nail. Okay. So I think those are really cute. What do you think? I think they look really quick, really cute, really cool. So I need a drink. I'm sorry. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so now. Please click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Let me see. This is nail. These two nails are going to have spiders on them. The middle nail, I'm going to put, let me do this one first. Let me see. I'm going to be using the Grip Gel by She Modern, which this now they've changed the name to it. It is called Slip Gel, I believe. So I'm going to put a nice coat all over the nail. Slather it up. Stick this back in the lamp, 430. We're going to put some spider webs on that nail. Here are the spiders that I'm going to be using. They are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. They are really super cute. Oh, too bad I couldn't get it to do that on the nail. I have to get out poly gel for that, and I'm not going to plan for that. I'm using glue to hold those on. So, whoops. Maybe I should have used just the glue for these. Oh man. So do you want these to lay flat? I don't have enough spider webs out. Oh. Let's see if I can move these around just a tad bit. I'm going to stick these in the lamp really quick. Give them flash cure. And hopefully they will stick better to the nail. Didn't come out as planned. Let me pause and see if I can gather more spider webs. Alright, we're back. The nail is in the lamp. I am going to be using nail glue to be holding the spiders onto the nail. At least that's my plan. I'm using nail glue by Viola. Great brand. This stuff bonds like instantly. So you gotta be pretty quick putting this on and getting your nail onto your tip onto the nail, whatever you're using the glue for. So I'm just gonna hurry and put that on. And let that nail sit like that for a minute. This I should have top coated first. So we're going to carry on the same method on this nail. We're not going to top coat first, we will top coat afterwards. So I want to get the spider on in time. Put your lid on real good. You don't want this leaking out. I always make sure this is standing upright. So look at that. I think that is so cute. So cute. Here are our spiders, or spider webs. I'm gonna press those down into the grip gel. I'm going to go in with some top coat by, see who we get today. Beetles. We've got some Beetles top coat today, folks. So I'm going to pop that back in. I'm going to cure that for 60. I'm sorry I sound a little bit nasally. I don't know if it's sinuses, allergies. I'm not really sure. All I know is it's been really getting on my nerves. So I do apologize. In this video there may be or are most likely PR items used. It's hard to tell these days, especially if I'm using Charlie's nail art. Most likely it is a PR item. I do purchase a lot from there, but it's hard to say. So it's better to just assume or say that I have PR items used in this video and just call it a day. I think this turned out really super cute for a little Halloween Manny. A little Halloweeny Manny. So I'm going to top coat this nail again as well. Whoops. Yeah, I got way too much on the brush. So we are going to stick these in all together. I'm going to give these a cure of 60. I am using a 108 watt lamp. You do not need to go for 60 in that long, but I'm going to because of the amount of top coat I used. Sounded pretty thick, so I want to make sure it's cured very well. And we'll be back. Alright, we are back out of the lamp with our finished product. First time she came out of the lamp, I was feeling over. You can still feel like a smidge of spiderweb. So I took another coat of top coat on there. I'm using Beetles on Amazon. So I figured, well, I need a little bit more bling. I want the spiders to share. So I put some blue-black crystals on there. I don't remember if I got those off of Charlie. I don't remember. I'm sorry. But I think they're really cute. I think the manicure turned out really cute for Halloweeny. Halloweeny. Hello. Hello, Erica. Erica. That nail crazy mama little girl. I formed a little bond with her. I just love her to pieces. She's just the prettiest little thing. Sweetest little girl. And when I say hello, she pays attention to me. She likes to watch the videos too, so I like to talk to her. Call her name out, you know, just to give her some little giggles. But we have come to the conclusion of our video for today. We have done the vertical ombre with Model 1's neon paints. Got those off Amazon as well. That was not a PR item. I used She Modern's grip gel, which they have named for slip gel now. This most likely was PR. My Infill nail glue, definitely a PR item. This was sent to me by them. Very nice company. And that's what I've used today in today's video. Charlie's nail art for sure on the spiders. Spider webs came from Charlie's as well. There is a link to them down in the description box, as well as my 10% off code. So check that out, save yourself some coins. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. And as always, have a blessed day. Thank you.